of us in the organization is expected to drive the safety culture, and there can be no compromise at any cost. EHS is the cornerstone of our overall business strategy, and our aim is zero harm.
As you know, at Vertiv, we lead with safety. It's paramount and we don't compromise. Whether we are at site or traveling or at any customer place, safety guidelines are paramount important for us and we have to adhere to that.
This culture of care and psychological safety is built on mutual respect, open communications, and a shared commitment. As a team, we have a very robust EHS team which works day in and day out in partnership with all our functions to bring together the value of safe workplaces to life, and we continue to partner and do better in that. Here's to more safer workplaces and doing better each day, every day.
Our entire thought process, whether it is about designing products and solutions for our customers, safety gets prime importance. Our cross-functional teams look at all aspects of designing and product development so that safety and security aspects of our products are considered during development. And it is not just during development of the product, we look at the entire life cycle of the product.
Think of yourself as a safety champion. If you notice something unsafe, do not hesitate. Take action. Help us to prevent incidents before they are occurring. Safety is a shared journey. So together we can foster this culture. Let us commit to ensuring that every member of our Vertiv family returns home safely every day. Thank you for your dedication and commitment to make this as a safe workplace.
When we prioritize safety, we improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance our reputation. Let's make a conscious effort to take care of ourselves and our colleagues. By looking out for one another, we create a positive and supportive safety culture. Let's work together to make our workplace a safer and more enjoyable place to be.
At Vertiv, safety is a core value. We are committed to protect people, assets, and the environment, ultimately enhancing our reputation and long-term success. We believe that safe working environment is fundamental to well-being of our employees and the successful execution of our tasks. Let us all lead with safety and take ownership towards achieving zero harm culture at Vertiv.
At Vertiv, safety is a core value. I would like to thank the leadership team for their strong commitment. And with this commitment, I am sure that we will have the change in the EHS culture. I appeal to everyone that will embrace safety as a core value, to develop a culture of care, and to achieve the zero harm culture and take ownership to make sure that this is possible with all our efforts.
At Vertiv, we lead with safety.
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 We lead with safety.